yo, it's your boy Sweat. We back with another POV.
Police reported ahead.
And the police reported ahead. Oh shit. We don't give no fucks though. We don't care nothing about none of that. He's gonna jump in front of you, bit dog. Cause we got to get on this highway ski. Hey man, yo, it's another chill POV as always. You know, we don't be wildin', we be styling, stupid ass. Oh, I see the police right there on the highway. Should we get up on his back bumper? Yeah, we coming for that back bumper, Mr. Officer. Come here. Come here. Hey, he thought shit was sweet. Boy, you thought this was a chill day for you. Nah, don't run. I'm coming, sir. Ooh, boy, you lucky you ain't got no dodge. Boy, I be hitting that pat beside your crazy ass. Like I'm stupid. Where he at? Yeah. Mr. Officer, Mr. Officer. You don't want smoke with this B58. I'ma lead that Ford Explorer here, and I'ma go down there. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but I'm everywhere. He ain't even looking. He's scared. He know what's up under here. He's scared. He want no smoke with this. Let me stop playing. Let me stop playing out here. Take my eyes on.
Object on road reported ahead.
Whoa, chill. We do not need no objects on the road, twin. See, really ain't I can't really get jiggy out here on this highway right now, y'all. What the hell? What the hell they doing, man? But y'all, we about to go take a quick trip down to Home Depot, cause I gotta get something for my house. And then, oh, let's go ahead and cut on through. Yes, sir. And then we gonna get back on the road. And why are you swerving in my lane, you jackass? Don't be a dumbass. Then we're gonna get back on the road and continue this POV after I make this quick stop. And yeah, man. I might even give y'all a little walk around before we leave Home Depot. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't give y'all enough walk-arounds of this car. Mostly because the car is typically dirty. Because it's black and it's hard to keep clean. It's very annoying. I give y'all a baby pool. Let them get a little further ahead. Probably about 60. Probably about 60. And hey, 60 to 80. Nothing crazy, just a little baby pool, like we said. It's a baby ass pool. Yo, what is this truck flying up behind me? Like, I'm not about to speed up for your dumb ass. Yeah, you cut that shit out, big dog. Who the hell are you? Look at you, you dumb ass slamming on brakes. Fucking stupid. If I would've brake checked your ass, you would've been mad. I would've been mad too. I would have to fuck you up, fucking up my car. Ooh, we taking this little corner, nice. Yes, sir. You lucky I ain't got no M3. I'll slide this bitch. I would definitely come down this ramp sliding this bitch too. Having a blast. Having a blizzard. Hey, y'all let me know if y'all want some back road POVs. I'm gonna go find the back road and just haul ass for y'all. No kids out. Man, I'm about to pull that off for y'all. A nice little long back road POV. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. we took. Boom. We in there. These shifts be so smooth. My little intake just be a. That shit's so tough. God damn, shout it. But yo, we just made it to the home of the depot of the home Depot, cause we need goddamn a scrubby thingy majigger type shinany for the binany. Damn. But yeah, man, we is out here chillin'. We's out here chillin'. Oh man, but look, I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I get up out of this Home Depot. I'll give y'all a quick little walk around, then we gonna get right back onto this highway. Now let's get our ass on the road, cause I got shit to do. I got shit to do today. Like play my motherfucking game. But that's just a quick little walk around for y'all. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Hopefully the camera caught it. I was trying to pull it up so I could see, but it would not try to show it to me, twin. But yeah, let's get our ass home. Put that thing back in Sport Plusy. Turn on that track. And then we just please nobody fly in front of me. Do we want to take the highway or take the main road? I'll take the highway for the sake of the video. Damn, something just hit my windshield. That's a long ass line. Fuck. Don't hold the brother. What the fuck are you doing? Please get the fuck out of my way. Just cause you did that, I'm just gonna take my ass over here. Cause why you bullshitting, bro? Thank you. Oh, I just hit my head. Fuck. Let me get my ass over here, cause this nigga drive like he got stick in his butt. Fucking dumbass. Shit. What's wrong with people? Yeah, they don't know how to drive. I be clicking the hell out of this damn fucking shit. I be in here. That lady clean her damn window. Y'all see that shit? Oh, she has a child with autism. That's probably why it's like that. I'm glad you're making it through it, lady. You got a nice Tahoe. Ho. Stupid ass. Alright, y'all, finally, shit turned green. Only took 30 minutes. But we are not entering the highway. Well, we should start driving my way. Stupid. We about to cut up in a bit. We about to cut up in a bit. Ah, stupid. Oh, man. Hopefully I can get a couple little bobs and weaves off this highway, man. Should be enough gaps the way these people over here drive. Once this red car pass, we gon' get our ass over. Hey, that's one. Why are you hitting the brakes? Like, what are you hitting the brakes for? Realistically. Why? Like, you just hit the brakes for no fucking reason. Like, my nigga, is you good? Is you good? Yo, let me through. Let me through. You in the left lane just to cruise. No, we don't do that. Move. I'm trying to get the fuck on. This ain't no damn cruising lane. Fuck you doing, dumbass? The fuck out the left lane. You wanna cruise, bitch? Yeah, we ain't doing all that cruising shit right here. We getting the fuck on. Alright, now. Motherfuckers just be wanting to go slow as hell. I ain't with it. I ain't with it, twin. And we going back to the right, because everybody right here driving slow.
On shoulder ahead.
We're just gonna keep going right, left, right, left, right, left. Goddamn. I know that just pissed them people right there off. Nothing major, nothing major, nothing major. You know what I'm saying? We just floating on down there, bit. Floating on down, shout. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Why are you? Please don't tell me you're trying to come into this left lane. Hell no. Yo, go. Drive. Drive. I gotta take this exit. Drive. Fucking dumbasses. Y'all be driving like y'all got sticks in y'all butt, for real. Like, why are you hitting the brakes? Alright, yeah, I don't want to be behind you. Just take my ass over here. Motherfucker, as soon as I got behind you, you hit the brakes. For what? Whoa, alright. You just slamming on brakes too. Bro, these fucking people suck. Take old people's licenses, bro. Like, why the fuck this nigga just slam on brakes with all that fucking room in front of him? Somebody take his old ass license, bro. I oughta smack the shit out this nigga, bro. Like, my nigga, if I would've banged cause you being stupid and cause you old as fuck and your depth perception is shit, I would've been mad. And that's word of moms, nigga. Let me stop playing. Nah, I would've been mad though, bro, cause like, come on, dude. It did not take all that. People suck, bro. People suck at driving, I tell you. I know this lady behind me probably like, what the fuck is he doing? I'm being an asshole. Specialty, lady. Y'all, I figured out why there's so much traffic. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I sat in that line for a long ass time. Like, the line is still there if y'all can see through this side mirror. Bruh, there's a whole ass accident up here. Somebody smacked bad. Like, this nigga banged something serious. God, it's not funny, but it's kind of funny because, like, damn, bro, you done shut down the whole fucking turning lane. Shit fucking butt. I ain't gonna lie. Not a fan. It's aggravating as hell. Well, while we sitting here waiting, y'all niggas go follow. Oh, can y'all see? Y'all niggas go follow me on the gram. Life of Sweat. No cap. Appreciate you. Bro, go. Y'all niggas over here lollygagging and shit. Look. That shit green gold. That shit bad, gang. That shit bad as hell.
She ain't used to text me. Now she won't caress me. She keep tryna neck me. I got tell my bestie.